How much should you actually spend on a bento box? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Some claim to be leak-proof but fail with soup, others look fun but fall apart in weeks. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, Omi Box Kids Bento. First up, the Omi Box in Pink Berry. This one caught my eye because it's not just another plastic container, it's built like a mini survival kit for picky eaters. At $62, it's definitely on the pricier side, but it's designed for parents who want their kids to actually eat warm pasta and cold fruit in the same meal without everything mixing into a sad mush. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Omi Box has 2 temperature zones. That means you can pack a vacuum-insulated stainless steel food jar. Yes, it holds heat for hours, right inside the main compartment while keeping fruits, veggies, or crackers cool and crisp beside it. The 8.5-ounce insulated jar is perfect for soups, mac and cheese, or oatmeal, and the outer bento has 3 separate sections for cold items. The removable seals and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning easy, and you can even replace worn-out gaskets instead of tossing the whole thing. Now, some people complained about the weight. 7 pounds might feel heavy for little backpacks. Here's the thing though, that sturdiness is exactly what makes it last. Parents say it still looks new after a full school year. If your kid is rough with their stuff, this weight is actually a sign of durability, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want your child to eat warm meals at school without carrying multiple containers. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only pack cold lunches. At $62, it's an investment, but one that pays off in less waste and happier lunchtimes. Product number 2, Lovina Adult Bento. Now, if Omi Box's price made you pause, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Lovina Bento Box is only $12.67. Yes, really, and it's flying off shelves with over 1,000 sold last month. It's a no-frills 1,100 ml plastic container with 3 compartments, a spoon, fork, and a cute pink design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, which makes it ideal for meal preppers who want to cook once and eat all week. The large capacity fits a full adult meal, think rice, protein, and veggies, and the portion control helps with weight management. It's lightweight at just over half a pound, so it won't weigh down your work bag. Now, some people complained it's not leak-proof. And they're right, the compartments don't seal individually and saucy foods can leak. Here's the thing though, for dry or semi-dry meals like sandwiches, salads, or crackers, it works perfectly. Just don't pack soup or runny dressings. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, simple lunchbox for office or school lunches. Skip this one if you often pack wet foods or need long-term insulation. At under $13, it's a steal for basic, everyday use. Product number 3, Game Bento Kids Set. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who hate boring lunchboxes. The Game Bento Box from FAJSL looks like it came straight out of a video game, blue and red with raised buttons and a 3D design. It's $34.23, and it includes a 9 Oz insulated food jar, folding spoon, sauce cup, and removable dividers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fun shape actually gets kids excited to open their lunch. The insulated jar keeps food warm for hours, and the built-in vent button prevents suction, so no more struggling to open it. The dividers let you customize compartments for sandwiches, fruit, or snacks, and the sauce cup keeps condiments separate. It's dishwasher safe and drop-proof, which is key for active kids. Now, some people said the plastic feels a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, that makes it easier for small hands to carry. It's not meant to be indestructible, but it's sturdy enough for daily school use. This is perfect for you if your child refuses to eat unless lunch is fun. Skip this one if you need ultra heavy-duty construction or adult-sized portions. For $34, it's a great mix of style, function, and kid appeal. Product number 4, Canfani Adult Stackable Bento. Now, if you're packing for yourself and want serious capacity, this next one is a game changer. The Canfani Bento Box is $25.35 and holds a massive 74 ounces, over 2 liters, with 3 stackable leak-proof containers. It even comes with a built-in utensil set and insulated lunch bag. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The triple-layer design lets you pack a full meal with main dish, sides, and dessert, all sealed tight with silicone gaskets and locking clips. Nothing leaks even when tossed in a bag. The outer bag uses thick aluminum foil lining to keep food warm or cool, and the whole thing is microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. It's PFAS and BPA-free, and the brand offers an 18-month warranty, rare at this price. Now, some people said the bag isn't super stylish. Here's the thing though, it's functional, not fashionable. If you care more about keeping food fresh than looking trendy, this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you meal prep or need large portions for work or picnics. Skip this one if you want something compact or ultra lightweight. For $25, it's one of the best values for serious eaters. Product number 5, Bento Kids Prince Bento. Finally, the Bento Kids Prince Bento. This dinosaur-themed box is a favorite among parents, with 900 plus sold last month. It's designed for ages 3-7 with 5 compartments, a 2.4 cup capacity, and a leak-proof lid. No price listed, but it typically runs around $25-30. The 5 sections help with balanced meals: protein, grains, fruit, veggies, and a treat. It's drop-proof with rubber edges so it survives drops off tables, and the latches are easy for little fingers to open. Plus, Bento supports Feed the Children, donating nearly $300,000 since 2017. Now, some people said the outer shell isn't microwave safe, only the tray is. Here's the thing though, that's standard for most kids' bento boxes. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, portion-controlled lunchbox for young kids. Skip this one if you need to pack hot liquids or large meals. It's a reliable, feel-good choice for everyday school use. So which bento box is best? The Omi box wins for temperature control, LOVINA for budget buyers, Game Bento for fun-loving kids, Canfeni FOR Chinese letter adults, and Bento for everyday reliability. Each has strengths and flaws, so pick based on your real needs, not just looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.